Assalamu'alaikum guys. So today we're gonna learn how to create UI for game. So in here I'm about to create my wireframe using balsamic.cloud. So this is the address, and yep, this is the first interface after I log in and registered. So let's just start. Okay, so it asked me to name my space. So I think I'm just gonna name it main menu. Yep, create my space and start my free trial. Okay, create your project. Alright, so this is okay. Add wireframes, and this is search. Okay, good. I think I can close this, find symbols and templates. Alright, so this is the first wireframe. So I think I'm gonna start with my main menu. Okay guys, so now we are coming to the new project here, where you can see in Balsamic there are many kind of assets for UI. Okay, alright, and we're gonna I would say recycle redesign the UI of Doodle Jump, this game. Okay, so this is the intro where I will redesign this. Okay, when we play, it's gonna be like this. Okay, alright. Okay. Oh yes, the score is here. So it seems like there's no enemy. Okay. Yep. Okay. So this is the game over. Alright, so we're gonna redesign I would say three interfaces in Doodle Jump game. So let's start. We're gonna start with the wireframe first. So I'm gonna go with let's go with iOS. Okay, and I'm gonna put iPhone here and text. So we're gonna put the big title here. Let's name it Doodle Jump. Okay, Doodle Jump. That's my suggestion, and in here is button. Okay, button here is play, and yeah, I really like the idea of the first, when you see it's play here and they already have the tutorial here, so it's really good actually, but there's no sound, no credits, so I think we're gonna work on it because there's only play button here. So I'm gonna add with thing here exit or quit. Okay. Alright. Play or quit. Okay, since we don't like player to quit, so we're gonna ask first quit. Okay. So this one is gonna be bigger. Okay. Alright. I don't know. Seems like I cannot. Oh, yes, I can. Alright. Play and quit. So this is the first. Alright. And we're gonna make the second wireframe, which is the game. I would say, so let's just tap health. Okay, not this kind of health. Maybe slider here. Okay. I think, yep, I can put here. This is the so this is the screen name. I mean the game area. So let's just why I cannot control click. Okay. Alright, so this is the game area. Okay. Game area. So okay, let's find okay, I'm gonna make here is the health bar here. Okay, or life. Alright, and this is the score. Okay, and since we're gonna have sound, so we're gonna have setting here. Okay, or I'm gonna put it here. Button, I think so. Alright. or setting. Alright, so I'm gonna put the live here and the score here, and this is gonna be the setting. Okay, so this is we have to make the name. I think I'm gonna put a name here, health. So yeah, this is the health. So in case the programmer wants to know what is this ladder, so it's gonna be clear what is it about. Alright, and so this is the setting, and this is the game area. Yep. So since this game only has score here, no life, anything, no enemy, so this is the game over. So I'm gonna redesign this game over again. Okay. Game over. With the score. Congrats, you jump. Okay, congrats. So this is gonna be alright, and we're gonna have button. In here they have tweet score and restart, so I think that's a good idea. Wait. Tweet score. But they don't have quit. Tweet score, restart, and quit. Okay, since we're gonna have this Doodle Jump play, so I'm gonna change this quit to retrieve my score. Okay. Alright, so this is the wireframe. So we're gonna make the design based on this wireframe. So this is the intro, the name Doodle Jump, title here, and there are two buttons, play and retrieve my score. And this one is the game area, and this is the setting and health and score. And this is the other one, game over, congrats, you score 100. And there are three here, tweet score, restart, or quit. Okay, anyway, I have to design the setting as well. So yep, let's design now. Alright, so for the settings, I'm gonna refer from this Candy Crush settings. So they have here music, sound, and vibrate. Okay, and this is my profile, and this is how to play, notifications, and features. So this is when you come to notifications. There's a picture here, and this is the notification, whether you want to on it or not. And this is the features, whether do you want to have any hint or not. Alright, so let's make it here. We're gonna suit it to Doodle Jump. Okay. So again, iOS, and I'm gonna make where is the game area just now? Okay, what's this actually? A rectangle. Can I just copy this? Okay, good. Okay, so I'm gonna name it here. So we're gonna make it like this with the setting on the header. Okay, setting, or let's just make it here first, and they're gonna be name. I think to make it easy for this, I'm just gonna make it here button. Where is the button anyway? Okay, no, not button. I'm just gonna make any text here. Okay. Music. Okay. Music. Let's make it 16. And there is a slider here. Okay, I think I can just copy the slider. Right, so they can reduce or increase the slider to music, for the music. Alright, music, and what else should be here? I think maybe notification. Okay. Right. Notification will be on and or off, but I don't think this game have notification. What else? Hints, maybe hints. Wait. This is quite difficult to find the right button. Okay, this one. Yep. Notification. Okay. And I think that's all. Credits, maybe. Wait. Okay, I think music and notification will be fine for this. Alright, and yep, okay. Alright, so we're done with the setting. With the wireframe. Okay, so we have 4 wireframes already. One for intro, next for the gameplay, game over, and then the setting. Alright, so for the next thing that we have to do is we're gonna have to think about the color palette. Alright, so for the colors, okay, this is one of the main important thing when you design UI, either for games, mobile app, website. So you can refer to many websites for UI colors. One of the example is flatuicolors.com. Okay, so in here there are many palette. Okay, so I personally like this Canadian palette. Okay, so you can just copy and then paste to your project. Alright, or this Peloton is one of the color palette generator where, okay, in here we can choose either we want to use monochromatic or the similar color and just move it. Okay, alright, okay, so or either 3D color like here. Alright, okay, anyway, before that we have to know first what is colors. Alright, I'm gonna take you to the alright, okay, this one. Okay, so basically there are many types of color. The first type is complementary color. Okay, so basically color is also related to the color psychology, which different culture, different country perceives one color with different meaning. So you really have to know your audience and basically your target market. Okay, so in here the first type of color combination is complementary. Complementary is in the color wheel, they sit in the opposite. Okay, so like here you can see red and then blue, so this is complementary. That's why it's warm or cool colors. Okay, so either this is the warm colors and this is bright colors, so combining warm and bright colors, that is complementary color. 3D color is combining 3 different colors in the color wheel. Okay, like this, yellow and orange, and then red, purple, and then blue and green. So these 3 will combine together. Or analogous. Analogous is the colors that is sit next to each other in the color wheel, like this. Okay, so either blue, green, yellow, yellow, yellow. So it can be also like this as long as they sit next to each other in the color wheel. And tetradic is 4. If you saw triadic just now combining 3, but tetradic is gonna combine 4 different colors in the opposite in the color wheel. And Okay, the last thing is monochromatic, like what you see here in the Peloton. This is monochromatic. So monochromatic is similar color just with different hue. Okay, like this, they are actually similar color, like orange, maybe can be dark orange, bright orange, okay, or light orange. But monochromatic is not only about black and white, but four different colors in four similar colors but just different hue. Okay, so to make it easy for you, you can just like simply visualize what game do you want it to be. So you can go with nature, for example, and these are the color scheme of nature. Okay, fresh and bright. Okay, or like this. Okay, if you want to design the like scenery or view or panorama. And this is dark and earthy, crisp and dramatic, cool blues. Okay, so this is vibrant twist. Alright, so there are many kind of templates actually. Alright, so that is the color. Or you can also just like go to adobecolor.com to extract the, or you can also go to adobecolor.com. Okay, color.adobe.com. In here also you have even more clear, like you can see what kind of analogous color and monochromatic, right? You see monochromatic are same color just different hue, and triad, complementary, split complementary. So there are many kind. Basically you can also save and change the color from here. And one more thing is, this is one of the most important tool that you can import any picture and extract the color from that picture. So for example, I have this picture, so I like Candy Crush colors, so I can just drag it here and they will specify the colors for me. Alright, and I can save it and it will appear in my Adobe softwares. For sure, I have to identify my identity first, but that's how you do it. Okay, so yep, that's about colors. So what I want to get from this jump PPP, or yep, nope, I mean this doodle jump, I'm gonna take the light color, which is, I love Candy Crush color so much, which is like so girly. So I'm gonna take that color. Alright, similar to this, but this is too pastel. I'm gonna change this to pink from the peach. So I've got the picture that I want, which is this picture. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to copy the color hex. Okay, oh, custom, I'm gonna choose custom here. Okay, Alright, so this one we're just gonna go with okay, not black. I think I'm gonna choose white maybe. Okay, so I'm just gonna save this. So I have logged into my account, and now I can just change this to UI. I'm gonna create a new library. Save to UI game, and the color is UI colors. Okay, so I can just click pastels. Okay, and it will publish the color and save. So I'm gonna save this. It's saving. Alright, so it's viewing now in my library.